1993 Lincoln pennies at lower mint states are pretty common, as overall mintage of Denver and Philly struck cents combined with more than 11 billion. Anything above mint state 68 plus designation is considered numismatic rarity, highly sought after. Welcome back to CoinAz. Today's episode features super rare and expensive 1993 Lincoln cents. This is absolute gem among regular strike 1993 pennies from Philadelphia, graded at mint state 69 Red by NGC. Satin gold red luster encompasses razor-sharp surfaces of device and the fields on both sides. Very rare collector's item which was sold in February 2022 for $3,375 on eBay. And here's a record holder among Denver Mint 1993 Lincoln pennies, graded at mint state 69 Red by PCGS, a low population condition rarity that sports satiny, virtually pristine surfaces on both sides. Otherwise pinkish red in shade, the luster assumes swirls of lilac rose color in the center that provides a simply lovely look. It was sold for $4,600 at Stack's Bowers. But error pennies from 1993 are extremely valuable as compared to high mint state, regular strike, Lincoln cents. For instance, these 1993 D Lincoln cents struck with dime reverse die, graded at mint state 65 Red by PCGS. US coins struck with dies of different denominations are extremely rare. These lustrous gems show the characteristics expected of a cent and a dime mill. The dime side has broad, tall rim since metal was forced into color of the dime die by the wider diameter cent die opposite. As a result, the cent side has a soft strike near the rim since metal in the vicinity flowed into the dime color. The strike on the devices is normal. The lustrous surfaces are pristine aside from a solitary, faint graze above the date. The color is predominantly orange, with shades of fire red and olive green occasionally present. It was sold for $51,750 in 2010 at Heritage auctions. Now let me show you our Lincoln pennies from 1993, red and brown varieties. One to the right was minted in Denver, while brown example to the left was impressed in Philadelphia. Denver mint coin is at about uncirculated condition. As you can see, surfaces are practically free from distracting abrasions, except this slanting mark, possibly bag mark near the Lincoln's forehead. Fields are very clean, displaying predominantly golden orange luster and splashes of carbon throughout. Pay attention to the sharpness of well-struck device motifs. No slightest wear is seen here. Reverse side displays strong patinations above face value and on and around United States. Device elements are sharply struck here as well. We see just one tiny notch above C of face value and few bag marks on memorial columns. This one is 1993 red-brown Lincoln cent Philadelphia strike as it bears no mint mark. This specimen is at extremely fine condition, featuring laser-sharp detailed Lincoln bust. Letterings and profiles show almost no wear. When we turn it over, we see sharply detailed memorial with some peach orange luster among columns. Legend above shows some wear mainly on states, off almost flattened with corn yellow hues all around. Also strong trace of luster seen around E pluribus unum and America. When we pay attention to the lower lettering, the face value, we see possible marks of polishing. For the last, I would like to show you guiding price list for higher grades of those pennies, Philadelphia and Denver mint combined. See you later.